Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. As you can see, I'm with Lakam and then Batip. Yeah, it's all my cousin. Yeah, and today we're going to go to this hidden waterfall in JOWAI. This is their first time going there, but for me this is my second time, and we are in this place called PHE, which is right at the edge of JOWAI. And okay, but if you ever come to JOWAI, like if you ever want to see this waterfall, just talk to the taxi. You can come by taxi and then you just tell them that to drop you off at this PHE. But if you come by your own vehicle, you got some decent parking spot, which is right at the top over there. So yeah, what's so cool about this place is that a lot of people from JOWAI used to come here for trekking, like cycling, jogging, and hanging out, like for picnic and all that stuff. Which is a very, very cool place to be. It's peaceful, it's quiet, and it's relaxing. And yeah, also for swimming. And yeah, I used to, like I said, I used to came here to swim like all the time. And when I heard that there's a hidden waterfall over those mountains over there, and I was like, it's really surprised me. Like I used to come here like all the time, and I didn't know that there's a waterfall over there. Which today I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you're gonna reach that waterfall. Which if I can tell that it was just behind this mountain over here. Yeah, that is the place where the waterfall is. And yeah, really clear. That's a really good swimming spot. Only for professional. Yeah, over there is another swimming spot, but that is only for beginner. This is for professional, beginner, and over here is for semi-professional. I wish I could swim right now, but it's going to be freezing cold. Next time maybe.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eye.
Yeah, as you can see, we just came from over there, and then from here. So this is the place. Just gonna go straight this path. I'm just gonna cross this river over here, then go that side, and then we're gonna go there. And yeah, the waterfall is exactly, you see that mountain over there? It's exactly behind over that mountain over there. So it's not far away. It's really not far away. It's just like, it's difficult. Yeah, you will see why it's still hidden, because it's not easy to get there. And see. Come follow.
What's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now.
So as you can see, we have reached at this stop over here, and this is the first challenge that we have to go through. We have to climb this wall over here, and there's another wall to climb over there. So yeah, let's go. As you can see, we just go get through that first challenge over here, and this is the hardest part here to reach the waterfall. So as you can see, this is life jacket over here. And then first, I think, okay, first we'll try to climb over there. And then when he reach over there, and then just going to pass the life jacket to this guy, and this guy will climb over there, and the last will be me. So yeah, that's the thing, you know. That's the reason why we brought a life jacket. No, if somebody is falling, then if someone falls, then they won't get drowned.
Đây này ta.
Hatri. Ah, itu. Sok sekali.
Vỏ nó đẻo vậy.
Depan. Yes. Tak, dia. Tak sok ita tim. Hai ta. Ha, itu. Oh. Bam. Rai. Rai jai mal kang. Hatri. Oh. Dengar. Soal timun. Hai. Depan. Lai. Depan. Ta. I think, yeah, this is the hardest part to get to the waterfall. If you just can go through this one, then yeah, you know, it's gonna be easy over there. But look at this. That is deep, man. Đến chân nhỉ?
Hi guys.
Oh, the boys now, come. Yeah, we are here, guys. We are here. Let's look at the reaction of them. Come.
Wow. Wow. What are they? Guys, so coming here for the second time, it was good. It was really good, and you know, seeing them, like looking at first sight of that waterfall, that joy in your face, that's really priceless, and it feels good, you know, when you in that moment, like everything is just like you don't think about anything. It's just that moment when you saw that waterfall, and all of us was in that moment, and there's no past, there's no future. It was just in that moment. It feels good, and it's time for us to head back. So yeah, again, we have to get through that first challenge. I don't know, I think at first, but let me tell you, they are really brave at climbing that wall. Really, really brave. And it's... Huh? Come on! Video! Yeah. So, again, we have to go through this one. Let's go. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm ready. Oh, have to be careful. Ngay hào đàn con nó. Yeah. Again. Tua. Lala. Nai jai nè. Slowly. Come after it come. Tu se. Đừng lệnh đó. Wow. Look at them. They are so brave.
All they see is a monkey, but he don't know how to climb. It's not good enough.
Look. Come on, cool boy. Phải không? Hopefully ạ rồi. Đập vô. Guys, as you can see, we have returned safely back, and so this is it for today. You know, if you watch this till the end, you know, I really appreciated it, and thank you so much. And yeah, if you ever plan to come here to see that waterfall, and you just, you know, if you don't know how to swim, I think it's better for you to like carry a life jacket. You know, I can assure you the experience is gonna be like unforgettable. Like, it's so good. It's wild, it's hidden in JOWAI. Yeah, it feels so good. For me, this is my second time, but it feels so good. And yeah, so that's it. Take care, be healthy. Until next time, bye bye.